Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Rizka Fradina, and here I want to explain about development of drama. So, drama has undergone change through the ages. Nowadays, plays are far more elaborate than those in ancient Greek era, and the era which is said as the origin of Western drama. And we are going to discuss some major era in Western drama, which can be summarized as follows. The first is the beginning. So, in the beginning, religious celebration is the origin of drama. From the various pagan rites and festivals arose the earliest drama, called Greek tragedy and Greek comedy. So, in Greek tragedy, a central character is led into death, despair, or mystery through some sort of error, either in himself or in his action. And Greek comedy is generally divided into three categories. The first is old comedy, second is middle comedy, and the last is new comedy. In old comedy, we usually discover a great deal of rude comment on affairs of state through political satire. In middle comedy, has no surviving examples. New comedy usually deals with romantic situation, and we generally witness potential love working. Second is the Middle Ages. In the late 9th and 10th centuries, there were tropes or musical presentation of certain cross services, particularly the various masses. And from this musical presentation come drama, as the plays began to speak rather than sing the story. Latin was replaced by regional language, and the audience became the cosmopolitan. Some of the most popular plays in this era were known as mystery plays, which were religious plays based on certain events in biblical story. The third is morality plays and interlude. At around the beginning of the 15th century emerged the morality play. It differed from the early religious drama because it contained allegory, certain abstract passions, vice, and virtues were represented on the stage by actors in bizarre costume. Thus, the audience could watch such characters as death, evil, mercy, shame, and holiness. Some morality plays deal with a single vice or moral problem, though some deal with the whole moral problem of man's existence. The fourth is Elizabethan. Renaissance England encouraged people from various professions to begin writing plays. By the late 16th century, Elizabethan drama had become the best in the history of world literature. At the same time, Elizabethan drama also introduced whole new kinds of secular drama, many of which survive to the present day. The fifth is Restoration and 18th century. In the period of the Restoration in England, heroic plays became extremely popular. The heroes were usually great military leaders as well as great lovers, and often experienced a conflict between their love for a lady and their patriotism. and the last is 19th century and 20th century. The spectacle introduced into the drama through the heroic plays slowly led into the more extreme spectacle and excessive emotion of melodrama in the 19th century. And in 20th century, problem plays and domestic tragedy become vastly popular. In this era, however, the status of tragic hero was brought to domestic figure. I think that's all from me. I'm sorry if that any mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.